second lecture of 4th unit. Now we will discuss about the incidence and degree. Actually, incidence means that when a vertex is coming, and meet, when edge is coming and meet to a vertex. So this edge is the incident to this vertex. If some edges are also coming, so they are called incidence. So on this vertex, in this vertex, three edges are incidents to come from the other sides. So they are called incidents. And if the two edges have the two edges have the common vertex, just like that, so they are called adjacent edges. Okay, so in the figure 7.3, b1 and b2 are the adjacent edges. 7.3, where is the figure 7.3? 7.2, 7.5. Oh, where is the 7.2? Three pictures. I think so it should be in the previous slide. 7.3. So vertex b1 and b2 are the adjacent edges, while vertex b1 and b4 are not adjacent. So we should check the figure 7.3 and vertex b1 and b2. That's 7.2. This is a 7.3 pictures. So it is saying that b2, it is saying that b1, this is b4, no, b1, b2, b3 and b4. So b1 and b3 and b4 and b3 are the adjacent edges, because they adjacent edges, one vertex has the common. Okay, so b3 is a common, but b2 and b1 and b3 and b4 are not, because they doesn't have any vertex in common. So they saying that b1 and b2 are the adjacent vertex, b1 and b4 are not adjacent. Means that two vertices in a graph is said to be adjacent if their adjacent edge joining the vertex. अगर उन दो vertex को edge, simple I have explained. The simple thing is that two vertex are called adjacent if they have the one edge in to make joining them. So these two vertex are adjacent vertex. Okay, and the degree means that if any vertex having the some vertex as a incidence, so the incidence edges on the vertex is called degree. Okay, like this. For example, the degree of this vertex is 1, but the degree of this vertex is 1, 2 and 3. If the degree of, we should make like this, so only the 4 edges are coming, so degree of vertex is 4. So how many edges are coming on the vertex is called degree. For example, degree of this vertex is 1, 3, 3. The degree of self loop is 2 and 1 is 3 and 4. So the vertex b4 degree 4. Okay, vertex b degree 4. Rest are 1, 1 and 3, 3. Finite and infinite graph. If the number of vertices are finite, this is called finite graph. Number of vertices are infinite, it's called infinite graph. Now isolate vertex, pendant vertex and null graph. Isolate vertex means that there is no edge, there is no connection with the vertex, is called isolate vertex. The degree of isolate vertex is 0 because there is no edge incidence on it. That is, this is the isolate edge, isolate vertex, isolate vertex. But the degree of 1 of any vertex is called pendant vertex, is called pendant vertex. This is a pendant vertex, degree of 1. This is null graph. Null graph means that the collection of all isolate vertex is called null graph. This is a null graph. 1 vertex, 2 vertex, 3 vertex. We can make many more vertex here, but there should be no edge here. This is called null graph. Okay. But and also, if B doesn't have any vertex and edge, it's called the empty graph. For example, this is a pendant vertex, B5 is a pendant vertex, vertex B5 in the graph is a degree 1, is called pendant vertex, B6 is a isolate vertex, and B2 is having the self loop. Okay. And we have a lemma, handshaking lemma. Actually, if we will shake the hand, two hands comes together in a single shaking. Okay. So 2 hands, 1 chance, 2 chance, 4 hands, 3 chance, 6 hands. Means that 4 chance to 8 hands. Twice. So the total, if the graph has edges E, so the total number of handshake, total number of vertexes 2E. Why? Because every edge has a 2 degree. 1 is there, every vertex has the 2 degree. 1 is a edge, so 1 degree is here, 1 degree is here, so it becomes degree 2. So every edge contribute 2 degree. If one edge contribute 2 degree, if we have the E edges, so how many degrees should we contribute? 2E. So this is called handshaking lemma. So the total vertex of degree is 2E. This is known as handshaking lemma. Okay. So you can also check after making the graph. These are the references. Thank you.